The civil authorities have issued a blue alert for Chambers TX, Galveston TX, Harris TX, Brazoria TX, Liberty TX, Jefferson TX, Matagorda TX, Tyler TX, Warden TX, Fort Bend TX, Austin TX, Colorado TX, Orange TX, Waller TX, Montgomery TX, Harding TX, Jasper TX, Newton TX, Sabine TX, San Augustine TX, Shelby TX, Angelina TX, Nacogdoches TX, Polk TX, Houston TX, Walker TX, Trinity TX, Leon TX, Brazos TX, Grimes TX, and Burleson TX, beginning at 3:16 p.m. and ending at 4:01 p.m. DPS issues blue alert on behalf of Harris County Sheriff's Office https://could.lyd5di60:911.